I'm at Brother Convention. I'm in New Orleans, Louisiana, and I ran into Trevor Conquergood here.
Hey, Brett.
And Trevor actually came to our store last year. And Trevor, you're going to come again. Tell us what you're going to learn.
I'm super excited, you guys. I'm coming back to Oregon, and the first thing I want to tell everybody is, have you ever encountered an embroidery design that you might consider overly dense? I've got all kinds of information that I can share with you. First of all, how to identify the designs that might be overly dense, and then what can we do to kind of resolve that really common embroidery problem. And certainly we'll learn all kinds of things about machine embroidery, everything from hooping and thread, needles and stabilizers, and but we're gonna have a ton of fun. And it's hands-on, Brett. So we're gonna have top-of-the-line, beautiful embroidery machines, and all the projects are ones that I've created, and I know you're gonna have a ton of fun sewing them out.
So this is a 3-day event coming October 17th, 18th, and 19th at our event center, and we look forward to seeing you there.
Yeah. Please call the store and reserve your space, because I know those seating can be limited at the hands-on events, and I'm sure that we're gonna sell this out. It's gonna be a ton of fun, and I can't wait to meet you there.
Or sign up online at montavillasewing.com.
Ah, perfect. Awesome. Thanks, Brett.
Thank you.